February 2025 is all set to unveil several intriguing phone launches from the leading brands including Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, iQOO, and Asus. With cutting-edge features, robust chipsets, and long-lasting batteries, the flagship smartphones promise to offer top-tier performance. GadInsider has compiled a list of the upcoming smartphones in February 2025. Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Xiaomi is set to unveil the Xiaomi 15 Ultra in China by the end of February 2025. The upcoming phone is likely to support top-notch features, including a cutting-edge camera setup, enhanced battery performance, and an upgraded chipset, making it a strong contender among premium smartphone models. It promises to deliver an exceptional user experience, further cementing the Chinese tech manufacturer as a key player in the flagship market. After weeks of speculation, the Vivo V50 is likely to debut in India, putting an end to expectations. Unlike previous models, the Chinese manufacturer is expected to launch this model without a Pro variant. The upcoming phone is expected to be a rehashed variant of the Vivo S20, which previously debuted in China. The Oppo Find N5 is likely to be released in China, featuring several significant upgrades. These include a Hasselblad-backed triple camera system, along with a periscope lens and satellite communication support. The device is expected to house a colossal 6,000 mAh battery with wireless and fast charging support. The iQOO is likely to be a part of the Neo 10 series, which is currently exclusive to China. However, this model is expected to be the first in the series to debut in India in February 2025, bringing a pack of robust features, including a high-performance Snapdragon processor, improved cooling technology, and a high refresh rate AMOLED display. Asus is all set to launch the Zenfone 12 Ultra globally, featuring several similarities with the ROG Phone 9. The forthcoming phones tease to feature a significant design tweak with advanced features, including a revamped camera module, which is set to offer an enhanced user experience. Additionally, it may come with an improved battery, better software optimizations, and AI-powered enhancements.